फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। नाउ the last video that I've uploaded on my birthday literally got so many likes. Like, wow, you guys literally love the video, and this is the day after. Like, I've just uploaded, I literally loved you guys' response on it, so I'm making one more your dares video. So yeah, today we are also going to shout out one of you guys, one of my fantastics, and yes, let's see which comment is going to get a shout out today, and let's try another fantastic dare, and let's see if this line works out or not. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with the video. So fantastics, आज की रेसिपी का शाउट आउट जाता है क्यूट वर्ल्ड को. लाइक ओ माय गॉड, दिस रेसिपी इज सो बिग, बट या लेट्स ट्राई क्यूट वर्ल्ड स्लाइम रेसिपी. सो इसमें हमें लेना है डिटर्जेंट पाउडर एंड वाटर, एंड वो हमारा स्लाइम एक्टिवेटर होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स डू दैट एंड लेट्स मेक आवर स्लाइम एक्टिवेटर. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So to make our activator, we basically need a little bit of detergent. This is about a teaspoon of detergent. Now, we don't know how much we need to add, so I'm just, guessing it. And yeah, I'm just taking this much of, you guys can see that. Like, it's really, really small quantity of detergent. And now I'll add a little bit of water into it. So about this much of water. And now we'll literally just mix it all together जब तक ये अच्छे से mix नहीं हो जाता. And you guys don't have to dissolve the detergent completely. We just need to mix it once. And then जब वापस इसको साइड में रख दीजिए ताकि ये settle हो जाए अच्छे से नीचे. And after that हम लोग जो एकदम top वाले surface वाला water होगा, जो कि mostly clear ही होना चाहिए, after the detergent settles down, तो हम लोग वो वाला water लेके अपनी slime को activate करेंगे. So yeah, let's mix it now. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much mixed. अब इसको आप साइड में रख दीजिए, and इसमें से बस टॉप वाला वाटर लेके हम लोग ऐड करेंगे अपनी स्लाइम में. So yeah, now let's activate our slime. So now that we have made our slime activator, the second step is to take Fevicol and mix it. So now we are going to take our bowl. So this is our bowl. अब हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा सा फेविकॉल लेंगे. द बोल इज वाइड, आई नो यू गाइस, बट थोड़ा सा फेविकॉल ले लेंगे हम इसमें. लाइक एज यू गाइस कैन सी दिस मच. अब हम लोग इसमें पानी ऐड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज वी रियली डोंट नो. डिटर्जेंट स्लाइम्स में कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड डिटर्जेंट स्लाइम्स में पानी भी कभी कभी फेविकॉल से निकल जाता है. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनी रिस्क, और हम लोग इसमें पानी ऐड नहीं करेंगे. सो नाउ द थर्ड स्टेप इज टू ऐड एनी कलर. And also then Boroplus. Now I really don't know Boroplus and detergent का क्या लेना देना है. Seriously don't know, but I think this recipe has potential. So now let's add the coloring. क्योंकि ये white bowl में white Fevicol, like it's really odd. So now we are going to add some metallic colors into it, and we are going to add pearl metallic copper. So yeah, let's add it now. So we have added a little bit of color. I don't know if this is enough or not. Let's mix it, and if we need more then we'll add more. Now let's start mixing the slime. This looks so pretty, you guys. Let's mix it. Okay, so it does turns into a orangish shade. I don't know. The pearl pigment is there, but there is no color. आई थिंक इसमें मुझे कुछ फूड कलर्स ऐड करने चाहिए ताकि जो हमारा पर्ल कलर है वो भी सामने आ सके. लेट्स ऐड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फूड कलरिंग इनटू इट. सो लेट्स ऐड सम येलो फूड कलरिंग बिकॉज वी हैव येलो स्पून. सो या लेट्स ऐड येलो बिकॉज इट इस ऑरेंज शेड के साथ येलो ही जाएगा. सो या लेट्स ऐड सम येलो. And yes, it does look pretty cute. Oh my god, the shade is really nice. Now this looks like haldi's or something, like some face pack. Yes, it does look like a face pack. Now it is a bit thick, so I think इसमें थोड़ा सा water add कर देना चाहिए हमें. or not, I don't know. Let's try. So first attempt में हम लोग try करते हैं without any water, because अभी हमें इसमें Boroplus भी add करना है, तो उसके बाद हमारी consistency बहुत thick हो जाएगी. So yeah, let's see. Now let's add some Boroplus. So here's our Boroplus. Let's add it. So I'm going to start from this much. So yeah, now let's mix. It is pretty much going inside this, but yeah, there is some Boroplus. But if you don't have, detergent in your home for some weird reason, so if you guys have Boroplus, then you guys can also add some eye drops to it, and then it will actually work out for you. But actually, after adding Boroplus, it is pretty, creamy in consistency. So I think it is going to be like a butter slime consistency. So yeah, I think it's time for us to add our slime activator. Now, detergent activators are really, it's super sensitive. तो आपको बहुत कम activator add करना है एक बार में. So yeah, now let's start adding our activator. As you guys can see, our detergent has pretty much settled down. So make sure to add the very clear part of it, like literally like this much of activator is more than enough. Now let's add it, and yeah guys, now let's start activating. As you guys can see, like something is happening over here. You don't know yet. Let's just keep on mixing it. I don't know, it's literally not really activating. I don't know, let's see. We'll add a bit more activator. Let's just keep on mixing it because it is getting thicker. Now, as you guys can see, it is clumping together, but it is getting deactivated as well. I don't know. I think we need to add a bit more Fevicol. I don't know why. Let's add a bit more Fevicol. Let's mix it now. As you guys can see, this is really not mixing, and I don't think I've added a bit more activator, but this seems to just dissolve. So I think we need to fix it. I have a little bit of eye drop. Let's see if this actually works. मैंने इसमें detergent add कर रखा है, so I don't know कि अभी भी ये काम करेगा या नहीं, but let's see. Let's add some lens solution into it. Let's see if this works. So fantastic, it's pretty much does not really work. Sorry cute world, this recipe is a fail. So yeah, fantastic, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if we can actually fix this slime or not. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you guys have any working no glue no borax recipes. And yeah guys, that's it. Now watch any of my following videos. If you guys want to watch some more no glue no borax videos, then click on any of these and I'll see you guys there. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and yeah guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.